We get into this video, as you see this page right here, I want you to click on the link in the description under this YouTube video. It's going to bring you to this page. Make sure you subscribe your email right down here, and you'll be able to download a free report that's going to help you with your social media, help you monetize it, create streams of income, and also prevent you from making certain mistakes. But I also have a real good opportunity and offer that I'm going to be promoting soon on how to make money on Instagram and also how to grow your audience. So just put in your email down there and subscribe. So yeah, you could get the email ahead of time before everybody else. Like I said, it's going to be a good opportunity to make money with Instagram, and you get a free report on our social media. So yeah, just log in your email. All right, so right now I'm gonna break down the qualities of a perfect Instagram business profile. Now for this example, I'm gonna just use my Instagram profile page, which you see right here, emarketexpand.com. So first we're going to talk about, basically the business name. Your Instagram handle should be your business name, which you see right here. Mine is eMarketExpand. If your business name is taken, you could always just add something to the end. Put your business name up front, in front of the @ symbol, and just add another word or something, another symbol to it to make it more unique. But your business name should always be in your Instagram handle. So the next thing that's important is your profile photo. What you see right here is my logo, the green circle with the two hands, and it says eMarketExpand. That's my logo. It should always be your brand logo, which also this should match brand logo on all your social media pages, for your business. So that's real important. You always want a good picture. A lot of colors are good too, because people remember colors. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this website real quick. It's called hatchful.com, HATCHFUL.com. When you type it in, it might come up as hatchful.shopify.com. I think Shopify owns it or something like that. It's connected to Hatchful, but you can create your own logos for free. Right here, I've used this one. It's real easy to use. They have templates, like these are some of the templates I use. This looks like the one I use for my fashion store, but they got different templates you could choose. They also have specific sizes, like when you download it, it'll give you the correct size for the Instagram photo, Facebook profile photo, all of them, LinkedIn photo, Pinterest. It'll give you all the correct sizes. So that's one of the things I like about it. And it's real easy to use. You could also go by industry. If you scroll to the bottom of their site, if you're in the beauty business, click beauty logos. You see whatever food business, they got food logos. So you could pick templates by the industry you're in. I just do a quick sample. Just click the Get Started button. Just pick your industry. You can scroll down. I just click fashion real quick. I just want to give you a quick tutorial on this logo builder. Then you can pick how you want it to look. Just type in anything for now. You can choose if you're doing an online store, social media, a logo, something for print like business cards or whatever. I'm gonna just put social media. There it is. It'll give you different examples you could pick from. You just scroll down. Scroll down, they give you different colors, different fonts. And you could just choose which one. Let's say if I like this one. I could click on fonts, change the fonts. I could click on colors. You see it in different colors. You could switch it up. Then with the frames, you could kind of change that icon. This one has a diamond, this one has a square. So, yeah, that's just a quick sample of it right there. We're going to come back to Instagram. Also, if you ever want to change your logo, just click right here where it says Edit Profile. You could change the logo or your bio text. Also, so the next thing we're going to talk about is bio text, which is real important, probably the most important thing. The bio is where you want to basically describe your business, talk about your skills or whatever, and give them a reason to follow. And of course, put your call to action. But like you see here, it says online entrepreneur for the best new ways of making money online, web traffic and social media growth. Subscribe to my YouTube. So I'm telling them why they should follow. Basically describing what my business is. And of course, the call to action is subscribe to my YouTube. But it could be anything, If you got a website, a blog, you just add the link, which I'll show you right here. Is the website link. When you click Edit Profile, you have to put it in there. It's a good way to get traffic to your website. Also, if you're trying to build an email list, you could put a link to your landing page, and that's a good way to get email subscribers. So, now hold on, we're not making no changes really. But all right, so let's go back. So we talked about the call to action. Let's go back. Right here. Also with the bio, you only get 150 characters, so you got to keep it short. They don't give you a lot of space. So yeah, just keep it short and simple. Describe your business and put the call to action with a link to, wherever you want your audience to go to. I'm going to talk about the rule of thirds. which is basically just some guidelines you use when taking photos, taking pictures, even selfies or photos of anything. It's basically 9 squares. It's three squares going vertical, like you see right here, and then three going horizontal. So you basically have 9 squares, and these lines are the intersections. And basically you use that to, line up certain points of the picture so that you get a more intriguing picture. In this picture, with the bird, being that the bird is looking toward the right, you would put, the actual picture of the bird more toward the left. And you see they lined up the eyes of the bird with this line right here, which is called an intersection. This top intersection, which it just helps you, like I said, it's guidelines to help you get a better photo, more intriguing, better looking photo instead of something that's boring and simple. So we're just going to look at a few more examples. And this could be used in any picture. Like here, this one isn't perfect, but you see they lined up the eyes with the top intersection line. It's not lined up perfectly, and they moved it to the side instead of putting it in the center. They pretty much claim when you put it in the center, it looks boring, so move it to the right side just to give it a different look, make it look more interesting. Let's see. Now here's one where they put the face in the middle. This goes against the rule of thirds, but still it's a good looking picture though. This one kind of goes against the rules too, being that he's looking toward the left. His face and body should be more toward the right of the photo. They got his eyes lined up with the top intersection line, but really he's supposed to be placed on the right side of the grid in these right side squares. We got a couple more examples. If you want balance, you can always put the main part in the middle. Like you see this road, it's pretty much placed as it goes further down. It's placed in the middle square to kind of give it that balance. Let me see. This one here it kind of goes against the rule of thirds. The guy is looking toward the right, so the two of them should be placed on the left. Here, even though it's a simple picture of rocks, you see they got it on the right side intersection line instead of putting it in the middle. There was another one that was, yeah, this one is good. He's looking toward the right, so they got his body toward the left and his eyes lined up with that top line. So that's the rule of thirds. They got a couple apps for your smartphone, iPhone and or Android. Got these grid apps you could use for your photos I'm gonna just pull up a few right now.